I get a lot of questions about what type of foundations I recommend whenever you are on a budget. I have my top favorite foundations from the drugstore that I actually use every single day. And I want to share with you all of them and tell you why I like that specific one. If you want to know which one are, just keep on watching. Let's start with this one. This is one of my favorite from the drugstore for lightweight and medium coverage whenever you want to look natural on all that. This is Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation. This foundation is amazing whenever you want to look natural and you want just very few coverage. This is going to be the one that you're gonna like the most. My second one is e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. This foundation is really flawless. This is the one I'm wearing right now. As you can see, it's very blurring. It provides a lot of coverage and it also has a very natural finish. It's a matte foundation, so if you have combination skin, this is going to be the one that you're gonna like the most for natural finish. My girls that like foundations that are very long wearing, this is going to be the one that you're gonna like the most. This is Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. This foundation lasts you a long time. It has a very matte finish. It's a little bit thick in consistency, so you would like to apply a very moisturizing base before the foundation, but this foundation is coated. One favorite from the drugstore category is the CoverGirl Trublend Matte Matte Foundation. This foundation is super nice to the skin. It's very lightweight, even though it's a matte finish foundation, but you don't feel it cakey or too heavy in your face, and it's a very long-lasting foundation too, so I really recommend it for my combination to oily skin girls. And that's it. That's my very recommendation. Those are the ones that I use personally and I like, so I really recommend you guys to give them a try. Of course, let me know if you have any questions, if you would like me to I don't know, do a makeup look using any of them so you can see the finish. So let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.